Please turn your sound on to hear full explanations of our answers. Thank you. Question is, hair transplant side effects, what are they? Look, I should say that most people do obtain a pretty good result. So, these side effects, you'll get some of them and others that you may not. But, overall, it's not really considered a tremendously risky operation, okay? First is headaches. Main reason for this is because there is a lot of pulling and tugging on your scalp, and that can induce a headache after, but it should go. Bleeding, and that's obviously because it is surgery that involves incisions, so there is some bleeding after. Numbness, some people can get numbness afterwards. Doesn't always happen, but it can happen to some people. This is always a risk when you're making incisions because you're going near the nerves. It could happen. Forehead, eye swelling, this normally goes down within about 5 days. It's just simply because you get that with a lot of cosmetic surgery, a lot of swelling. Hiccups, it's a weird side effect. 5% of people who have a hair transplant do get hiccups after. It is a strange problem. Excuse me, I'm just a little bit tired. It is a strange problem to get hiccups, but it can happen in a few people. Infection is always a risk with any kind of surgery. Scarring is another risk, but a good surgeon should be able to minimize this. A good surgeon should not show scars after your operation. Look, if you've been considering a hair transplant, and quite apart from the huge cost, I don't know if you're aware that there are good alternatives, right? I want to show you a natural alternative. Have a look in the description box down below. Click on the link. This is a natural homemade hair tonic. Look, it's cheaper anyway. It's cheaper than drugs too, but the main reason to use it is because compared to drugs, it's as efficient, but it has less side effects. This is a natural homemade hair tonic, just made from household ingredients. It's been used for hundreds, if not thousands of years by indigenous tribes. And it works on the same principle as the drugs. It renutrifies your hair follicles. If you have bald areas or thinning areas that haven't been bald for any longer than 4 years, okay, then they can be revived. The hair follicles can be encouraged to start growing hair again. Because what you do with this homemade remedy is you renutrify the hair follicles. You get them the fuel that they need to make hair. And they're not dead. Like I said, so long as it's been less than 4 years, they're not dead yet. So try this. It's been used for, as I say, many hundreds of years at minimum, if not longer. And there's no reason why it can't work for you too. So please have a look. Click on the link down below. Check it out. Avoid the huge cost of surgery. It's really not necessary. And I will see you soon in another video. Take care.